Get out your art supplies. We're going to be drawing a cardinal using the number 4. And here's what it'll look like when it's done. Welcome to Art Expedition. We're glad you're here. Are you ready? Pencils, pens, markers, or crayons up? Let's begin. First, we're going to turn our paper diagonally. And then we'll put in our number 4. We'll draw a line next to it, so it could be a 14. Then we'll move our paper back into place. To create the top of its head, we're going to draw a curved line from here right about up to here. And so we're going to have it curve coming down like that. And we're going to connect it to this side with a slightly squiggly line. We'll add a line right here. Next, we'll draw its beak by making a V shape. And so we're going to make this slightly curved, so coming out and then coming back to the side of that 4. Let's give our cardinal a smile by drawing a short curved line inside its beak. We're going to add its eye right here by putting a circle, like that. And then I'm going to color it in except for the upper left-hand side so that its eye kind of sparkles and glistens. We're going to add its wing next. The top of its wing is going to come out, curve around, and go to about here. And we're going to go curve out, around, and start flattening it out so that it's a straight line at the end. We'll do the same thing but upside down for the lower part of the wing. So curve out and then flatten it out like that. Now we'll draw the lower part of its body by making a sideways J shape. So we're going to come here, come around, and then connect up right about there. Like that. Next, we're going to add its tail. We're going to start right here and end right there. We'll make a long line, curve around, go down a little bit, and then come back slightly lower than our starting point. And we'll add a line here for its feathers. We'll add a little bit of lines here for feathers. To give our cardinal legs, we'll draw 2 diagonal lines side by side going out from its body. And I'm going to make 3 curved lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, like that for its feet. Next, I'm going to add a tree, and I'm going to come down like this, kind of a little wavy line, and then go out towards the feet, underneath the feet, and then going out. And then we'll work our way down here, and then curve around, and make the branch of the tree like that. We'll add some bark. And a little bit coming out here. And then I'm going to add some snow by just doing circles. Different size circles, small and big, in different spots. And you can make as little or as many as you like. There we go. And so, with the number 4, we've been able to draw a cardinal. How'd you do? You can also color your cardinal if you'd like. Here's my version. Thanks for joining us. We hope you've had fun. For Art Expedition, I'm Kevin Van Norman. What will you create?